Most contractor websites look fine, but they don't give homeowners a clear reason to call. I'm going to show you 2 lead pages I built, one for roofing and one for plumbing. You you can see the full service through the link in the description and pinned comment below. So with that being said, let's get started. Your contractor website is losing leads. Here's the fix. This is my roofing website lead page kit with built-in quote calculator. The next one I'll briefly show you my other example. And keep in mind that I could build any of these tools for any trade that you're in. So get in touch with me directly below if you're in a different trade and you want one of these lead page kits installed on your site. And I can do this within, most of the time it's within 48 hours. So this is the roofing one right here. Everything's editable. It says Jay's Roofing. That would be the name of your company here. Need a new roof, get a fast ballpark estimate. All of this is all edit. You can edit all of these. The number, everything on this is you can edit. So let's keep that in mind when I'm going through this demo here. So and then you got right here, give homeowners a fast roofing estimate while giving roofers a detailed contractor pricing mode. This is the homeowner mode right here. This is what your customers are going to see when they land on your site to give them a ballpark estimate. And you can see all the different options. It takes them literally 2 minutes to fill it out. They enter the roof size, which is right here. We'll put in 2,000 for a demo. I'm not going to fill any of this out, but these are all drop downs in order to give a more accurate estimate. All you do is click. You can also put notes in. Click get my estimate, and it comes up with this right here. As you can see, the pitch, and it's got the name of your company is going to be right on top with your phone number, estimate date. It even shows you the estimate date. And it's going to give you an estimated range, low, mid, and high. Break everything down for you. Call now button. And you even got advanced settings right here, which I'll show you in a minute. And then you got contractor mode. This is for you, the contractor. So you can put your job name, customer name, roof size in, the materials, and all that stuff. And you got the cost inputs right here. So it's going to give you a really good estimate. If you're the roofer and this is on your side, you can use this in contractor mode for your own personal business. You can see all the different markup and margins, waste percentage, cost inputs. Roofing material, it's got a lot of the same stuff that you'd see on the homeowner one with the cost inputs, markup and margins. This will give you a nice estimate right here. I got to enter the roof size in here and I'll show you estimate. Let's do that real quick. Let's put in the small house, 1,000 square feet. I didn't fill out any of this, so none of that's going to show up. Same thing goes here. So the more you fill out here, the better your estimate's going to be. And you can also, a really cool thing about this, and these settings go for the plumbing one and any other tool that you want. I can also do custom ones. So, and this is where you're going to edit everything. The main header headline you can edit, sub headline you can edit, trust badge. All this is editable. You can even enter your numbers here for the pricing. If they're a little off, you want to put a different pricing in, you can do that as well. And you can save it down here. Now, if I install this, obviously this is all going to be done for you. So you won't need to do any of this stuff. It'll be installed. I'll do all the work for you. There's also another option where you can buy these individually and do it yourself. It don't take that long to do, and it's as long as you can copy and paste, you can do this yourself as well. And you can go down here where it says get the roofing lead page kit. It's actually cheaper than this right now. So if you click that link, you'll find out there's this deal going on. And then this is the rest of it right here. Call button down here, name of your company, call button here. If you're watching this if you're looking at this on a phone, you're going to have a nice call button on your phone at the bottom. A customer can just click and it's going to go straight to call you, which is huge for leads. I'm recording this video on a desktop, so you're not going to see that on this desktop. This is the desktop version you're seeing right here. But if you go to your phone, you can see the difference. It looks great in both places, but on the phone, you're going to see your mobile phone, you'll see the nice call button at the bottom. So it makes it easy. Now we're going to go over to the plumber one. And this is the plumber one right here. Same basic deal as the other one. I'm not going to go through all the settings because they're the same ones as before. And you can check this one out for yourself, install it for yourself. This is on sale as well. It's actually cheaper than this listed price. Or like I said, I can do a custom one for your site for a one-time low price. And I do charge $397. It's a one-time price. There's no fees. There's no recurring billing. It's a one-time charge. I can put it on your site usually within 24 hours, but I would say up to 48 hours just to be safe. And if you want something like this, if you want to do it yourself, like I said, links are directly below. And if you want me to install it, all the contact information, links, and details are directly below. And like I said, I could do this for any trade that you happen to be in. So get in touch. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.